Ancient beginnings, soap's origins.
Soap is one of humanity's oldest cleaning inventions. Archaeologists have found evidence of soap-like substances in ancient Babylon dating back to around 2800 BCE. Early soaps were made by boiling fats with ashes, creating a simple but effective cleanser. Used for both personal hygiene and laundry, these early soaps set the stage for centuries of cleaning innovations.
Cleaning in the Middle Ages and Renaissance.
In medieval Europe, soap making became more refined. People began using animal fats and vegetable oils with alkaline substances such as lye. Cities like Marseille and Castile became renowned for their high-quality soaps. Despite advances, access to soap was limited, and many relied on sand, clay, or even urine for cleaning before soap became widely available.
Industrial Revolution, mass production.
The Industrial Revolution transformed soap into a household staple. New manufacturing methods made soap cheaper and safer to produce in large quantities. Advances in chemistry led to formulas that cleaned more effectively. By the late 19th century, brand-name soaps filled store shelves, helping promote cleanliness as vital for health and everyday life.
The rise of modern detergents.
By the 20th century, scientists discovered that traditional soap didn't always work well in hard water. This led to the development of synthetic detergents, which cleaned efficiently regardless of water type. Detergents soon appeared in laundry and dishwashing products, making cleaning easier and more effective for millions of households worldwide.
Hand sanitizers and contemporary solutions.
More recently, the need for portable, waterless cleaning led to the creation of hand sanitizers. These alcohol-based gels rapidly kill germs, providing convenient hygiene on the go. Today's cleaning products range from eco-friendly soaps to powerful disinfectants, reflecting centuries of innovation driven by the goal to keep ourselves and our environments clean.